Hey there, how's life going on? And how's your CRM journey going on? Today we have a brand new tutorial for you so that you can exclude internal traffic from your HubSpot website or on the external website wherein you have put your HubSpot tracking code. Now guys, once you connect your domain to HubSpot, or you have an external website wherein you have put on your HubSpot tracking code, then you can start measuring your traffic and then filtering out leads, prospects, and passing people through your funnel. But that's not such an easy process, is it? Because there will actually be some of the leads which might not be useful to you. They might be from your internal network, they might be from bots, and you want to exclude that irrelevant traffic from your analytics and logs. So how can you do this? Just follow these simple steps. Doing this is very simple in HubSpot. HubSpot provides a switch in order to filter bot activity. By turning this setting on, HubSpot will detect any activity from bots and remove the engagement provided by those bots from your analytics. Enabling this may impact the existing metrics in your marketing, mails, pages, and more. Another thing that you must know is that the bot activity and IP addresses that you have set would be excluded in the following data, which are CTA view and clicks, page views and sessions, form views and submissions, clicked events, social post clicks, and workflow enrollments. To do this, go to your HubSpot account, click on the settings icon in the main navigation bar. In the left sidebar menu, navigate to tracking and analytics and then go to tracking code. Click on the advanced tracking tab. Click on the button in order to toggle the bot filtering switch so that it can filter all activity from known internet bots. In the bottom left, click on save. If there are functionalities on your website which rely on bots in order to work, sometimes enabling this switch might impact you in some negative ways. In order to exclude traffic from IP addresses or referrals, you can go to your HubSpot account, click on the settings icon in the main navigation bar. In the left sidebar menu, navigate to tracking and analytics, go to tracking code, click on the advanced tracking tab. In the IP addresses to exclude text box, enter your IP addresses or the IP ranges which you want to exclude. Both IPv4 and IPv6 addresses are accepted in this field. In the From These Referrals text box, enter referrer domains or IP addresses that you want to exclude. This is most commonly used in order to block unwanted or spam traffic. And now in the bottom left, click on Save. So guys, I hope this guide was helpful to you in order to filter traffic from your website's logs and in order to prevent bot activity showing up in your analytics data. Sometimes these settings must be tread on with caution. This is because of the fact that personally in my website development experience too, I was using a push notification tool which had their own bot which crawled my website and then put out the push notification. So what happened was that I used such a filter and that bot crashed. So just make sure that other third-party services that you are using are not relying on bots in order to provide you with functionality, and you would be good to go with the bot filter activity switch. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this small lesson. You learned something new today, and a happy CRM journey to all of you from the folks here at CTA9. I'll see you guys in the next video.